All right, guys, so we got an awesome accessory here. This is LISEN. These are their car chargers. And I don't know about you, but if you've ever ran into issues when you have a hard time with the cigarette lighter charging up anything, these things are fantastic. You do get a 2-pack of them. So we're gonna go ahead and crack it open here and make sure she works. So pretty nice little product. It's super simple. You know, I always tell people super simple, and I love that my truck does not have all proper USB and USB-Cs plugs on them, but this does. And this is the new 3.0 charger on it with the USB, which is super important. Let's go ahead and see it pop in. Just like that, sits super flush, and you get a second one so you can see how flush that sits in there. So a very, very short throw for it, whereas most of them sit out a lot farther. Let's go ahead and plug in right here because we want to see it go ahead and pop up. So just like that, I can go ahead and plug in. And if I have my phone, which I realize that I'm recording a video with, I would be able to pop this over here and get everything going. Now, what I can actually do is I have my laptop. What makes it nice with the USB-C is I can plug in my laptop now using the cigarette lighter, which is super important. So if I'm missing the piece that I need, I'm able to pop this in there. And now my laptop is off and running and charging without any problems. You can see up there. Guys, it's a LISEN. Makes it super simple, easy to use, super awesome product, but you got to definitely check it out.